Too Clean Entertainment presents Lovers Night Out, September the 7th, VFW, 2419 3rd Street. It's a legendary couples dresser like ball. If you miss round 1 and 2, look your better half in the eyes and say, we can't miss round 3. Blow your horn 3 times, cause DJ Ball turn us up all night. Go to YouTube, check out couples dresser like ball videos and pick hashtag CDAB on the internet. Pre-sale tickets 15, 20 at the door, tables 100, bring your own food. 2CE 360 photo spin will be in the building with armed security, no drummer, positive vibes and smiles. Book your birthday party September the 7th at the livest event in the city. I'm showing birthday love. 2 free guests with the birthday celebrity. For tickets and booking info, call Too Clean 832-888-4928.
That's right, you heard what he said. Too Clean, it is the couples dresser like ball 3. And guess what? Yours truly, DJ Bow Bow Bow. We'll be on the 1 and 2s making it go dumb. September 7th, it's going down. But you know what? If you single, you might come out there and find you somebody to love you right. You know what I'm saying? But if you got somebody you with, bring them to the couples dresser like ball. It's going down.
Too Clean Entertainment.